You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Japanese designer, as well as how to say more interesting names from fashion luxury design that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Japanese, it is said as Murakami Takashi, or in English, Takashi Murakami, from Japanese, Murakami Takashi. And now, you know, more videos for you to learn more interesting pronunciations from Japanese, but also luxury and fashion. Thanks for your support, like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.